Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video. All right, let's talk about clean breakouts. If you're tired of getting caught in fake outs and chasing candles that lead nowhere, you are going to want to lock in for the next few minutes. This is the best 15-minute breakout strategy, and it is built for precision, timing, and clarity. Okay, we are using the 15-minute time frame because it gives you the best of both worlds, structure from higher time frames, and enough speed to catch strong market moves. So this strategy works best during the London and New York sessions, when volatility and volume are at their peak. So let us start with the first key element, which are support and resistance zones. Use a higher time frame like the 1 hour or the 4 hour to identify key horizontal levels. All right. So these are areas where price has reacted multiple times. Areas where price has reacted multiple times. Once you have those marked, once you have marked these important areas, these key areas on your chart, then you head back down to the 15-minute chart and wait for price to approach these zones. All right. So here's what you are watching for: consolidation. Looking out for consolidation. And see we had the consolidation around here. So price will often stall before breaking through a level, just like what we can see happen around here. Price will often stall before breaking through a level. You look for a tight range forming just under resistance, like this, forming just under resistance or above support. So this is your launch pad. It tells you that the market is building pressure and preparing for a breakout. Now comes the breakout itself. All right. A valid breakout happens when a full 15-minute candle closes above resistance or below support. You can see in this case, we had the 15-minute candle close above the resistance. All right, with a strong body and preferably a spike in volume. So you can add the volume indicator to confirm increase in volume. So you can see that there was actually an increase in volume around here when this breakout occurred. Avoid wicks that barely break the level and instantly pull back. Okay, that's where most traders get trapped. If you notice that you have a wick, just a wick that breaks out and pull back, please do not consider that as a breakout. Okay, make sure that the candle closes above the resistance if it's a buy, or closes below the support if it is a sell. All right, then your entry should come after the breakout candle closes. After the breakout candle closes, you can then have your entry. Okay, not doing, wait for the confirmation. Ensure that your confirmation has been gotten. All right, then you place your stop loss just below the consolidation range. Place your stop loss just below the consolidation range if buying, or above the consolidation range if selling. Then for your target, you can use the next key level, or you go for a risk to reward of at least 1:1.5. All right. Now, session timing is critical. This strategy performs best when volatility is naturally high. Okay, so the London Open, New York Open, or overlaps between the two sessions are ideal. Okay, avoid low volume hours, especially the Asian session, unless it is during a major news event. Now, what are the things to avoid? Do not trade in choppy sideways markets. All right, do not jump in on a week. When you have choppy or sideways markets, do not trade during such a period. Do not jump in on a week. Okay, don't chase a candle after it is already made its move. If you notice that you came in late, just wait for another opportunity. More opportunities will come. Do not try to chase a train that has already gone ahead of you. You want confirmation. You want structure. You want precision. Yes, I know you are a scalper. You are looking for many trades. You are looking to catch, a lot of good moves in the market. But make sure that you are looking for high probability trades, not just random trades. Okay? So let us quickly recap. Remember that you have to identify strong support and resistance zones on higher time frames first. Once you have identified that, you come back to your 15-minute chart and you wait for tight consolidation near the level. Tight consolidation near the level. Okay? Then you watch out for a breakout candle with a clean close and possible volume spike. All right, make sure that the candle closes above the resistance for a buy or closes below the support for a sell. It's important. You must have that candle close, all right, to validate the breakout. And then you look for confirmation, all right. Okay. Once you've gotten your confirmation candle, you can enter your buys. Your stop loss can be just below the consolidation zone. That is for a buy trade. If it's a sell trade, of course, the reverse is the case. It's going to be above the consolidation zone. Okay, make sure you use smart stop loss placement and clear targets. Your target should be the next key resistance zone for a buy, all right, or the next key support zone for a sell, making sure that you have a good risk to reward ratio, minimum of 1:1.5. That is, you are targeting 1.5x of your risk. Okay, and trade during high volume sessions for the best results. So that is the best 15-minute breakout strategy. It's clean, effective, and focused on catching real moves with minimal noise. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more straightforward Forex strategies. Comment below with what pair you'll be trying this on and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the daily drops. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.